As you can see, things are very different to how they would normally be, but I'm really pleased with how the children have settled in and how well they've coped with the new rules and routines that are in place due to COVID-19. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. I'm just going to show you a few slides about the curriculum this year. These will be sent out to you as well, and obviously if you have any questions after reading through these, please don't hesitate to email me on the school email address. Thank you. Weekly spellings will continue this year. They will be set on a Monday and the test will take place on a Friday, and they will cover the spelling rules and patterns that we've been learning in our English topics. Occasionally there will also be topic themed words relating to English, RE, history or geography lessons. Keyword spelling test will continue to take place on a half-termly basis, but I will let you know in advance which words the children will be tested on. These words can all be found in the front of their homeschool book. Handwriting lessons are also taught on a weekly basis, with all children being expected to join their writing in all lessons. They are also working towards their pen licences, so anybody that I feel has worked hard on their handwriting and has neat handwriting consistently will show their work to Mrs Webster and hopefully be awarded their pen licence. Maths lessons will also take place on a daily basis. The children will complete a range of practical activities and problem solving activities as well. There will also be a big continued focus on multiplication tables, with a multiplication test taking place every Thursday. The school calculation policy is very helpful, and that shows you the methods that we've used to teach different operations when we're calculating. That can be found on the school website. Mathletics continues to be part of the children's homework, so there should be a topic set every week for you. I know there has been a few issues with the new setup of Mathletics. This should have all been sorted now, so please let me know if you're unable to access it at all. If you're unable to access Mathletics at home, we can make provision for that to happen within school. Please just make me aware. Thank you. Homework is set weekly and it is given out on a Wednesday and should be handed in on a Monday. Normally it will consist of one piece of English and one piece of maths work, along with learning their weekly spellings and reading. Sometimes homework will be related to a particular topic we're studying, and occasionally mini projects will be set, but this is usually over a half term, so you'll be given longer for that to be completed. Our PE lessons take place on a Monday and Wednesday this term, so please ensure that your children come into school in their PE kits, and as the weather gets colder, please ensure that they've got jogging bottoms and a school hoodie. Here's an overview of the foundation subjects that the children will be learning this year. As you can see, there's lots to get through and there's some really interesting topics, some of which we've already made a start on, but these topics should really enthuse the children and lend really well to cross-curricular writing activities. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the presentation. I will be sending the slides home for you to pursue at your leisure, so if there is anything that you're unsure of or any questions that you have after reading the slides, please do not hesitate to contact me. Lastly, I'd like to say I'm extremely proud of how well the children have settled and how well they are coping with this very different way of working. It's such a shame that we can't invite you into school at the moment, but hopefully in the future things may become slightly easier and we'll be able to welcome you back. Thank you.